Welcome to Sign with Sing. I'm your host, Alex Sing. And in a show where I will teach you American Sign Language. Today I will demonstrate how to sign half of the alphabet. It is challenging to learn everything all at once, so it's best to break it up. I will describe each hand shape as I go through it. Let's begin. Here's the A. So the A just has the thumb out and the 4 fingers in. B is the thumb in and the 4 fingers sticking out. C is just like you're holding a cup, but upwards. D is the thumb and the middle finger touching, while the index finger is out. E is the thumb in and the 4 fingers are touching the thumb. F is the thumb and the index finger touching, while the other 3 fingers are upwards. G is the index out and the thumb out. H, all it is bring out that middle finger and tuck in that thumb. I is just having the pinky up. The rest of them are down. J is just swishing it around, swishing the pinky around, almost like you do when you're writing. And the last one, K, is the thumb and middle finger touching while the index is out. And that's half of the alphabet. Now it's your turn to practice at home. Join me next week to quickly review and learn the other half of the alphabet on Sign with Sing. Bye!